Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search among your Shazam results, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then scroll down till you find the My Music section and tap on Shazams. Here if you scroll up, you can see that there is a search bar in which you can search among your Shazam results. So just simply click on it and now you are ready to type in the kind of song that you are searching for. Now if you found it, just simply tap on it and now you are ready to play this song or do whatever you would like to do with it, even open it on Spotify, buy it on iTunes, open in Apple Music and so on. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.